Hello, my friends. Today I want to share a small moment from my day. Have you ever noticed how rain can change the feeling of a morning? Sometimes the world feels very different when it rains. This morning I woke up slowly and heard a soft sound outside my window. It was the gentle sound of rain, not a storm, not heavy rain, just a quiet, steady rain falling from the sky. The room felt calm and peaceful. The light coming through the window was soft and gray. Everything looked a little slower than usual. The world outside seemed quiet. I stayed in bed for a moment and listened. Rain has a very special sound. It is soft, steady, and almost comforting. Sometimes it feels like the world is whispering. After a few minutes, I got up and walked slowly to the kitchen. The house was still very quiet. No loud sounds, no rush, just the quiet rhythm of the rain outside. I prepared a warm cup of tea. I like to hold a warm cup in my hands on rainy mornings. It feels comforting. The warmth travels from the cup to my fingers, then slowly to my whole body. I took the cup of tea and walked back to the window. I sat down near the glass and looked outside. The street looked different in the rain. Everything seemed softer. Cars moved slowly. People walked with umbrellas. Some people walked quickly. Others walked slowly, enjoying the rain. I noticed small drops of water sliding down the window. They moved slowly down the glass. Sometimes two small drops joined together and became a bigger drop. Then they continued sliding down together. I watched them for a while. It was a very simple moment. Nothing special was happening. No big event. No important news. Just a quiet, rainy morning. But sometimes, simple moments are the most beautiful ones. As I sat there with my tea, something inside my mind began to change. At first, my thoughts were still busy. I was thinking about my plans for the day, things I needed to finish, small tasks waiting for me, messages I needed to answer, ideas I needed to organize. All these thoughts were moving around in my mind, not in a stressful way, but still a little busy. Have you ever felt like that? Not stressed, not worried, just full of thoughts. Small thoughts, simple thoughts, but many of them at the same time. That is how my mind felt this morning. But as I continued watching the rain, something interesting happened. My thoughts slowly began to calm down. The rain was steady, soft, peaceful. It felt like the whole world had slowed down. And little by little, my mind slowed down too. The thoughts were still there. They did not disappear, but they became softer, less urgent, less noisy. Sometimes our mind is not asking for solutions. Sometimes it is only asking for a little space, a small moment of quiet, a pause between one thought and the next. And on that rainy morning, that pause appeared naturally. I did not try to create it. I did not try to meditate. I did not try to solve anything. I simply sat there, holding my warm cup of tea, listening to the rain, watching the small drops of water moving slowly down the window. Sometimes we forget that small, quiet moments can help our mind rest. We often think we need something big to feel calm. A vacation, a weekend away, a long break. But sometimes calm can appear in very small moments. A quiet morning, a rainy window, a warm drink in your hands, a slow breath. After a few minutes, I finished my tea. The rain was still falling outside. The street was still quiet. The gray light of the morning filled the room. But something inside me felt different. My mind felt lighter, clearer, more peaceful. The day was still waiting for me. The same tasks were still there. Nothing had changed in the outside world. But inside my mind, everything felt calmer. Sometimes that is enough. A small, quiet moment. A pause in the middle of the day. A reminder that we do not always need to rush. So today I want to ask you something. When was the last time you enjoyed a quiet moment like this? A moment without pressure. A moment without rushing. Just a small pause. Maybe today you can try it. Sit near a window. Listen to the rain. Watch the sky. Or simply take a slow breath. Sometimes these simple moments are exactly what our mind needs. Thank you for sharing this quiet moment with me. Until next time, take care.